Hi, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a jute rainbow, and we're going to have it hanging on this pallet as well. So follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this really adorable rainbow to hang in your home. To get set up, you are going to want to set out a paper bag or lay down a tablecloth, something that you can easily get paint on and then throw away. And then you're going to take your jute and measure out 28 inches and cut at the 28-inch mark. And you are going to do this 5 times so that you have 5 pieces of jute that are all 28 inches long. Next, you should start taping down your jute, and the painter's tape should be about 17 inches apart, and in that 17 inches between the tape you will actually be painting. You are going to start with the blue paint, and you are going to paint 2 of the jute ropes blue, and then purple, and some green, and last but not least, yellow. You will then paint the large heart purple, the medium heart green, and the small heart yellow. Once your jute has dried, you will take one of the blue jute ropes, tie a knot at the bottom, and then secure it with some hot glue to the bottom of the pallet. You will then tie a knot on the other side as well, but you won't glue it quite yet. You will then move up your pallet and keep gluing your jute to the pallet, and you are going to glue it down in a rainbow shape. Once you get to the bottom of the pallet, you will then glue that other knot to the bottom. You will then repeat the same steps, but with using the other pieces of jute. Next, I put on purple, and then green, and yellow, and then lastly, I used that second piece of blue jute. Next, I took the large purple heart and glued it in the bottom right corner. I then glued to the left of it, up top, the green heart, and then kind of at the top between the 2 hearts, I glued the yellow heart. Next, you will be pulling apart the jute that is at the bottom of the rainbow. And so there will be 3 cords to each rope that you will pull apart. And then in each of those, there are a few other strands as well. So make your way across the rainbow, pulling apart all of the strands. Once you finish pulling apart all of the jute, you will then give it a nice haircut so that it is all even at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies to make this adorable rainbow at shop.craftsdirect.com.